Okay, guys, let's get some holiday inspiration. I'm just taking you to a store that I go to here locally, and I'll post the name down below. And if they have a website that you can order, I will post that down below as well. As you can see, they have all types of things for the holidays. These are the ornaments, the bling ornaments. You can buy them wholesale or individually. I've bought so much from this store. Here is a little red truck ornament that has been, heat carved or whatever. I forget the proper name, but they have all sorts of stuff here. As you can see, more bling ornaments. I love these because they look real vintage looking. I have plenty of those. I have a tree that I decorate with the bling ornaments and stuff. If you follow me on Instagram, you've seen that. Again, if you're into the rustic farmhouse, you have a cute little burlap angel there, an owl, and you can find that in Dollar Tree. Here are some wreaths that were on clearance. These are from spring, but if you're creative, you could use these for fall. If you're having a fall wedding, these would be great to incorporate some fall leaves on. Be really, really pretty. And a lady was in there. She actually bought a few because she was decorating for a wedding. Here are some reindeer or deer that have been decorated for the holidays. I love the neutral colors on them, and I know a lot of you are fans of deer figurines. These are super cute. Great to have as accent pieces. Here's an example of a wreath that they've made. They have in-house designers here, so if you're not creatively inclined, they'll do it for you. More red truck items. This is a flat back tree. If you're limited on space, this is a great investment. The back of it is flat, so it would, lie up against the wall, and you can decorate it. And it's really full, so it'll give the illusion of a, completely round tree, if you will. More novelty items. This is a little Christmas chart, a behavior chart for the kids. Keep them in line for the holidays. More deer ornaments here, and this is a burlap stocking that you could probably make from Dollar Tree items. Just wanted to share that with you. Maybe you can get a little inspiration. Okay, these I love. These are wreath kits, and these are for first responders. They have all different themes, but I love the first responder theme. They have the fireman kit, then they have the police kit. They also had animals, and you'll see those in a later clip, but I love that idea. Never seen anything like that before. Here's the police kit. And you would just buy the deco mesh and make your wreath. I think that is super cute. Love that. We tend to take advantage or take for granted our first responders. So I think that is super cute. They have all sorts of wreath forms that you can make your wreaths from. This is the deco mesh. They have all colors that you can think of in this place to make those wreaths. I'm not a fan of the wreaths like that, the deco mesh wreaths, but anywho, they have them. These are the forms in all different colors. More reindeer up there that you can decorate. But yeah, all sorts of colors to choose from. Here is their Christmas ribbon. This is not all of it. This is just some. I just recorded this particular aisle, but they rival Hobby Lobby when it comes to ribbon. And they have these all year pretty much because it is a floral outlet, and they, cater to the season. So yeah, but they have all types of ribbon. When I tell you, it's like a plethora of ribbon, they have it. But I just wanted to show you just a sample. All different colors, different themes. Yeah. Traditional, non-traditional, you name it, they have it. So I love coming in here for inspiration. This is one example of a Christmas tree. This is the bronze and green, or the lime green sort of, or chartreuse, should I say. More mesh, had to show you that. But yeah, the chartreuse and bronze tree is really pretty. Here is the sort of New Orleans peacock sort of theme here. I love the colors. If you're a purple girl, you will love this tree. It has, I mean, really pretty ornaments on it, and I just had to show it to you. I love the topper, which is just picks, floral picks. And the bows, it's like several bows that have been connected together. And then you have the feather picks and the berry picks in the different colors just popped on the top. Super easy. And you can get those, you know, sort of picks from the Dollar Tree, you know. These ornaments you can definitely make yourself with just foam balls and glitter, little blingy, elements as well, because they can get a little pricey. This is a cute little iridescent ornament, and then you have this jeweled ornament that you could probably make yourself. If you have some old jewelry, honey, you can get away with making that, or picking up a few little beads from the craft store and create that. But yeah, I just wanted to give you a little inspiration. They also have all types of vessels for floral arranging, especially for weddings. It's silver and gold back there. Now this, of course, is one of my favorite areas. This is the Alabama football area. But they have Alabama and Auburn here. Now, this is local stuff, you know, native to the state. They're not going to have you know, other colleges or anything. There's the Auburn section. But, you know, if you're an Alabama and Auburn fan, you're in the area, you know where to go. And I love that "Hey Y'all" Alabama sign. But, yeah, this is where I go and get a lot of my little decor for football season. So they have a huge section for that naturally here, because y'all know how we feel about football down here. Well, anyway, there is the Alabama tree. She was working on this, as a matter of fact, while I was there. So this isn't all of it, but you have all sorts of ornaments that are Alabama themed, which I love. Roll Tide. And then they also have an Auburn tree, which, you know, I guess I'll show it to you. And it is on the opposite end right here. I don't give it too much time. Okay, so yeah, there it is. Yep. And then more Alabama stuff here, and War Eagle, of course. But yeah, I love this store. They have a lot of unique items in here too. And then they also have a little Alabama State stuff. I was really surprised about that, because they don't get enough love. Okay, here's another tree. This is the gold and silver tree, again, with the bow and the picks for a topper. And then you just have your traditional silver and gold ornaments on it. And I feel like when you decorate a tree, the fuller the better. The more you have on it, the more expensive it looks. Now here is those mesh kits, mesh wreath kits. These are the animals. You have your pig, your cow, your bear. And I just love this. This is so cute. I have never seen anything like that. And there's the lion. Super cute. And then here is the policeman. I think that is so nice. I love that. Love, love, love that, y'all. You could probably recreate that with some Halloween costumes from Dollar Tree, maybe. Here is a deer-themed wreath. I was not crazy about this one, but I'm sure somebody will like it, honey. That's just a little weird looking to me. But anyway, here are some deer ornaments, you know, for that rustic theme, or that rustic glam theme. But yeah, they had tons of deer ornaments. But that wreath, I was not feeling. But I did want to show it to you if you're into stuff like that. And here is a rustic tree. It has, you know, your traditional colors, but with an accent of black. And the ornaments are really pretty. and unique. I love the topper with the rustic ribbon, the check ribbon. And then you have like the owl ornaments, and you know, Dollar Tree has those, honey. And then they have ornaments similar to this one, the, you know, sort of wooden snowflake ornaments. And here are some little snow boots with the jingle bells on it. They have the little snowshoes at the bottom. Really cute, sort of Native American-y. And then again, more owls. And then this ornament that I'm about to show you is kind of weird. More booties down here, and you know Dollar Tree has something similar. You can actually probably paint or cover those up and create that you know, recreate that set right there. But this ornament's kind of weird. It has fur around it with a reindeer stamped on the insert there, but it was unique looking. Like I said, it was really rustic, and you could probably recreate that too if you want it. And then more of a laser cut sort of sleigh, you know, really cute. It's wooden with the sleigh at the bottom. And I love the black accent. So if you're into the rustic look, you'll do that. You'd like that. This right here, you definitely can recreate. This was, I think, I hope you can see the price there. $4, I think. Was it $4? But you could do this yourself with a can, paint it red, and use some of that Dollar Tree burlap and lace ribbon. Put a piece of greenery in the top and call it a day. These are more Christmas figurines. I love, those trees. Really cute. And I love the fact that they sell other things, gifts and stuff. And these are just perfume bottles. I actually grabbed one of these because I collect them. But they're crystal. They're crystal. And these make great gifts if you know a girly girl or a diva. These would be perfect for her. I know Ross sometimes has them, Marshalls, TJ Maxx. But yeah, these are really nice. But like I said, this is what I love about the store. They have all sorts of gifts. There is another example of a wreath that was made out of ribbon. Here's another tree with a bow topper. Just a traditional little whimsical tree. Really cute. And there are the little faux presents at the bottom. You can make those. I've seen a lot of videos on that. Here's some more little figurines. Santas. And then you have your snowmen and your elves right here at the bottom. And here's another tree. This one, again, is another sort of farmhouse tree. As you can see, it has the cotton stems at the top, which I love that. That is so me. The tree, not so much, but I love the topper. These you can definitely make. These round ornament shapes here are made out of wood. You can recreate that. You can find these at Dollar Tree and just paint them or embellish them as you will. You have your little metal watering can ornament on there. There is that rustic tree. These right here, you know Dollar Tree has these. They're black. You can actually paint those whatever color you want. I think they were asking $4 for those. It was either $4 or $7. I'm not sure, but it was not $1. And then there's the owl ornament again. And then you have a little pig ornament. Cute. And those little signs, like the Christmas tree sign there, you know, you can pick those up for $1 at Dollar Tree, Dollar General, and use them as ornaments because that's what they're doing, honey. But I think this is more of that rustic red truck tree because there is a table right next to it with all the red truck stuff. And I turned it this way so you can actually get a full view of how this looks or whatever. So yeah, here's that table with the red truck themed items. There were cups and oh, and I love that sleigh ride sign. That's a plate or a cheese tray. Yeah, so they had a lot of stuff. Some table linens and, you know, kitchen linens with the red truck theme. I love that. Anything nostalgic and vintage, I love. More ribbon. These are Bible themed ribbon or biblical saying ribbon, and I love these. You know, there's Amazing Grace, and then some of them say congratulations. There is the first responder ribbon. Never seen anything like that before, and I love those. The police ribbon, really pretty. Then you have your animal themed ribbon back there, and burlap and all that good stuff. I'm telling you, when it comes to ribbon, they've got it. This is the sort of leaf themed stuff. And then this was a really pretty nativity scene. I was trying to capture the whole thing by turning my phone this way and just made y'all dizzy. Sorry, but hopefully you can see how gorgeous this is, how realistic looking it is. And it really wasn't that expensive. So yeah, if you're into that, super cute. Yep. Gorgeous. I know Hobby Lobby has a really pretty set that is stunning, but I just thought this was beautiful. Here is a unique tree. I actually have this tree. This is my bling tree. They've decorated this one in the copper and gold theme. The color of this tree is unique. It looks sort of silver here, but it's actually sort of a wheat color. The lighting's not doing it any justice. It's weird looking, and not a lot of people know how to use it, and that's how come I was able to get it cheap, because it's super cheap in here. But anyway, it's a really weird color. And if you follow me on Instagram and you saw my tree last year, this is it. It's just decorated differently here. But I love this tree. And I actually have the garland to match. They actually sold the garland. I don't think they have it anymore because it was on clearance when I got it. But I love that tree. You'll see it again this year. Again, they're forest of trees. Just wanted to show you. They sell all kinds. This is just a drop in the bucket. Just wanted you to see some of them. And as you can see, they have all sorts of wreath forms for the holidays back there as well, in different sizes and shapes. I mean, anything you need, you can find it here. And that's why I love coming in here, getting inspired for the seasons. Super nice store. This is a topiary made out of magnolia leaves, and when I first saw it, I thought it was metal. They were painted gold and shaped into a topiary, or around a topiary form, and I had to touch it so you could see that it's pliable and everything, but it looks like metal when you first walk up on it. Super cute. And as you can see in the back, they have all sorts of grapevine wreath forms, different shapes. You have your ovals, you have the garland right there. That is actually grapevine garland. Then you have all your little styrofoam and stuff like that. Again, oval shape, heart shaped, square shaped, basket, cornucopia shapes, every shape you can think of in size they have. So like I said, I love this place, and these are not really expensive. You would think they would be, but they really aren't. So yeah, so anytime I need one, I can go in there if I don't get it out of the craft store. And another thing that's popular this year are banners, or scrolls, if you will, and you can make these out of canvas and a dowel rod. But yeah, they had some in there. And we're coming to the end, but I just wanted to show you the Halloween stuff. That ribbon is a bigger roll of the ribbon you can find in Dollar Tree. But yeah, they have all sorts of stuff, like I said, for every season, every holiday in this place. And I'll post the link down below, and all the information about this store. And I appreciate you guys for coming along with me on my little inspiration shopping trip. And until my next video, I will see y'all then. Bye.